You'll need to work through these by yourself. Press pause before looking at the answers. Mark your work, and then we will go through them each. As we go through these, you need to have your list of polyatomic ions in front of you so that you can look at that, as well as a periodic table. So the first one is sodium nitrite. Sodium is Na. It's in group 1. So we're going to give it one arm. Nitrite is NO2. It's a group. I put a circle around it. I give it the one arm that's on the list, and I join up, and you get NaNO2. Potassium sulfate. Potassium is K. It's in group 1, so it's going to have one arm. Sulfate is SO4, 2 minus. I don't write the 2 minus. I put it in a circle and give it 2 arms. I need another potassium in order to hold hands, and it's going to be K2SO4. Aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium is over here. It is in group 3, so it will have 3 arms. Hydroxide is the one-eyed that is an exception. It's not off the periodic table. It's OH. If you look at your polyatomics, it has a valency of 1. I put it in a circle, give it one arm, hold hands. I need another hydroxide, and I land up with Al bracket. There are 3 of the group, and I put a little subscript 3 in. Mercury 2 oxide is going to be Hg, which is mercury, and it has a valency of 2 because of that stock notation. Remember, stock notation tells me the valency of the element in front of it. Oxide is oxygen, straight off the periodic table, which means it is in group 6, which means it has a valency of 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Hold hands, hold hands. It's HgO. Silver nitrate. Silver is one of the elements that you need to learn off by heart. It's Ag, and even though it's in the transitions, it always has a valency of 1. Nitrate is NO3. As a group, it has a valency of 1. And therefore, my formula is AgNO3. Ammonium hydroxide. The ammonium ion is NH4 plus, which means it's got a valency of 1. And hydroxide, remember, was your one exception that ends with an "ide" but doesn't come straight off the periodic table. It's OH. Hold hands, and you land up with NH3 OH. No brackets because I haven't got more than one of any of the group. The next one is going to be potassium permanganate. Potassium is in group 1. We've used it before, and it has a valency of 1. Permanganate is, look on your polyatomics, MnO4 as a group. Hold hands, and we land up with KMnO4. Calcium phosphate. Calcium is in group 2, which means that it is going to have a valency of 2 arms, and it is calcium phosphate. Phosphate is PO4, and PO4 3 minus comes with 3 arms. Hold hands. I need another calcium. They come with 2 arms. Hold hands. I need another phosphate. They come with 3 arms. Hold hands. I need another calcium. They come with 2 arms. Hold hands, hold hands. So you land up with Ca3, because there are 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to have 2 phosphates, so bracket PO4, close bracket 2. Next one is going to be zinc sulfite. Zinc comes straight off the periodic table, and it's a transition, but it's one that you need to know off by heart, which means it has 2 arms. Sulfite, SO3, look at your polyatomics. It's a group. It has 2 arms, so the zinc sulfite is going to be ZnSO3, 1 to 1. Lithium dichromate. Lithium is in group 1, which means it has 1 arm. The dichromate ion is Cr2O7, 2 minus, which means I put it in a circle and give it 2 arms. Hold hands. I need another lithium, hold hands. So it becomes Li, there are 2 in the picture, dichromate, Cr2O7. No brackets or anything because there's only one of the polyatomic group. Then we've got potassium carbonate. Potassium is in group 1. We've used it a few times already. It has 1 arm. Carbonate is CO3 2-, so I give it 2 arms. Hold hands, I need another potassium, so it's going to be K2CO3. Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium is over here in group 2, so I'm going to go Mg with 2 arms because it's in group 2. Sulfate, SO4 as a group. Hold hands, hold hands. SO4 2-, so it's got 2 arms. I land up with 1 Mg and 1 SO4 in my picture. Lead 2-phosphate. Lead is Pb. In this case, it's got 2 arms because the stock notation tells me the valency of the element in front. Phosphate is PO4. 3-, which means I need to give it 3 arms. I need another lead. They come with 2 arms. I need another phosphate. They come with 3 arms. I need another lead. They come with 2 arms. And the formula is going to be Pb. There are 1, 2, 3 of them and 2 of the phosphate group. So it's going to be Pb3, bracket PO4, close the bracket, and 2 of that group. Copper 2 hydroxide. Copper is Cu, and because of the 2, the valency of the element in front is 2 arms. Hydroxide is your one exception, OH. I need 2 OH groups. They have a valency of 1 each, and I land up with Cu, bracket OH, close bracket, and 2. On to aluminium nitrate. Aluminium is over here in group 3, so I go aluminium and I give it 3 arms. Nitrate, NO3, as a group has a valency of 1. Hold hands, I need another NO3. Hold hands, I need another NO3. Hold hands, and I land up with Al, bracket NO3 in O3. And there are 3 of the nitrate group. Sodium bicarbonate. Sodium is Na, it's over here. It has a valency of 1 because it's in group 1. Bicarbonate is HCO3 if you look at your list of polyatomics, and it has a valency of 1. So if I'm going to write the formula for sodium bicarbonate, it's going to be NaHCO3, no brackets required. Manganese, remember, is not the same as magnesium. Manganese is one of your transitions. It is Mn. We're told that it has a valency of 2 arms. Sulfite is SO3. As a group has a valency of 2. So the formula for manganese sulfite is MnSO3. Potassium nitrite. Potassium is here in group 1 with a valency of 1. Nitrite is NO2. As a group, it has a valency of 1. So my formula is KNO2. Sodium chromate. Sodium is Na, which is in group 1, valency 1. Chromate is CrO4 with a valency of 2. Give it 2 arms. And we have got Na2CrO4. Iron 3 hydroxide. My iron has 3 arms in the story, and because of that stock notation telling me the valency of the element in front, hydroxide is OH. It has 1 arm. I need another hydroxide and another hydroxide, and I land up with a formula of Fe. There's only one, bracket OH, close bracket, and there are 3 of the OH group, so I'm going to go 3. Taking a look at mercury 2 chloride. Mercury is a transition element, and it is over there, and it has a valency of 2, Hg with 2 arms. Chloride, Cl, ide means it comes straight off the periodic table, only has 1 arm. I need to put another one in there, and I get HgCl2. Aluminium dichromate, here's aluminium again, and we are going to go aluminium with 3 arms, dichromate Cr2O7. They come with 2 arms, hold hands. Cr2O7. They come with 2 arms, hold hands. I need another aluminium, 1, 2, 3 arms, hold hands. I need another dichromate. 2 arms, hold hands. I land up with Al2 brackets Cr2O7, and there are 3 of that group, and therefore I put a little 3 over there. And finally, aluminium bicarbonate, I'm going to give the aluminium 3 arms. The bicarbonate ion is HCO3. It has only 1 arm. I need another bicarbonate. It also has 1 arm. I need another bicarbonate. Also has 1 arm. Remember, these arms are not really arms. They are electrons that participate in bonding, but we're going to just go with little arms for holding to make it easier. And finally, how do I write that? I write Al. There's only 1 aluminium, but there are 3 of the bicarbonate ion in there.